Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Those who are new, welcome to my channel. In today's class, let us see important civilizations in our India. In that we see the significance of the cities and important cities of ancient civilization. After that we see town planning of ancient civilizations. Now let us begin with the significance of the cities or important cities of ancient civilizations. We can see the two or more part in the cities of Harappan. In the Harappan civilization, we see that cities have been divided into two or more parts. The western part is a narrow and at the elevated place. The western part is a very narrow and it is in elevated place. Now let us see, the archaeologists are of the view that there was a citadel. The archaeologists have been called it as a citadel. The eastern part is a wide and lower level. The eastern part is a wide and lower level. This area has been called as a lower town. Here we see that the western part is a narrow and in the area of elevated place it is called as a citadel, and the eastern part is a wide and at the lower level it is called as a lower town. Every part has a wall which are made by burnt bricks. They uses the burnt brick and since the brick around them and these places in the interlocking manner and the walls were very strong. They construct wall in a very technical manner, in interlocking manner there. Those walls are very strong. There are noteworthy building inside the citadel. In the inside the citadel are the upper town of there. In the citadel are the upper part of the town. They built many buildings and inside the citadel. The Mohenjo-daro, one of this city, they had the water tank. In the Mohenjo-daro is a well constructed city and it has a water tank. The scholar called it as a bath tank. The scholars and archaeologists called this tank as a bath tank. It built of the brick so as the prevalent to the seepage of water tank. The bath tank has a step on the either side to go down and they has room all round. Here in this bath tank we see that the steps are available there to go and come there, and the rooms are available here. The water was probably supplied to the tank by a well and they use water as let out. Probably a very important people's uses to take bath in this pool, and especially in the special occasions. The important persons or important peoples are take bath here in this pool in a special occasion. The fire altar has been discovered in other cities like Kalibangan and Lothal. The important cities of this period are Mohenjo-daro, Harappa, Lothal are constructed very systematically. Those are all about the important and significant cities of ancient civilization. Now let us see their town planning. The lower town in the lower lying area of the city was a place of habitation of the people. Here in this area we see that the lower town is a lower lying area of the peoples or the city. It was constructed a very methodological manner. They systematically laid out the houses, road, drain can be seen here. In here we see that they are constructed very systematically and very planned manner, like houses, roads and drain system. Almost every person live in either one or two state houses. In this civilization we see that the two or more state houses are there and every person live one or two state houses. The houses were built of the bricks and strong walls. They have the knowledge of construction in interlocking manner and those are very strong buildings. There were the rooms around this courtyard side and the main road faces to the street. No one window open onto the street. There was a bathroom in the houses. Some houses had well which supplied water. Here we see that they face the doors are faces to the street, and they has a well drain system, well constructed drain system, and no window are open into the street. There in some houses we see the bathrooms are there, and some houses are wells are there. Those are supplied to the waters. Those are supplied the water. The city has a neatly and laid out underground sewage system. The drain were built of bricks and converted into the stone slab. The gutter of each house was linked to the main drain outside the enable and follow the dirty water from the houses to main drain. The hole were created in the drain and enable timely cleaning of them. Here in these cities they were very neat cities, neat and clean cities, and the sewage or drainage system are very well constructed there, and the stone slabs are there. The gutter of each houses were linked to the main drain system, main drainage system. They enable to follow the dirty water from the house to main drain. The hole was created in the drain to enable the timely cleaning. They are constructed some holes to provide the timely cleaning to those system. In today's class, we have learn about the important and significant cities. In that cities, we see that in the Harappan civilization, the cities have been divided into two parts. First one is upper level, that is the citadel, and the lower level, which are situated in the eastern part, that is the lower town. The first one, the citadel is situated in western part. The important thing we see first that one is a bar tank. After that we see some important cities like Mohenjo-daro, Harappa and Lothal. After that we see the town planning. In that town planning, how they constructed their homes, and how the system of drainage work here. This kind of thing we have learned in today's class. If you have any queries regarding this, comment below. Thank you for watching this.